Hello foodie lovers, how are you? This is Abhi Crazy Productions. Hope you enjoyed my last video, pancake. So today I am going to show you how to make Ramjan special khaddu ka kheer. Okay, so for this now we need some ingredients. So first I'm going to show you those. Uh, First we need is like well cut dry fruits, some sabudana. I've soaked it for 1 hour, and half lauki. We call it khaddu as well. So we need khaddu. I've grated it on a grater. So I already grated it to small pieces, like kind of thing. And we require some milk powder. Okay, because people add kova into it. As we don't have kova, I'm adding milk powder into it because the texture will be very good with this. And we have sugar over here. Okay, so I've switched on the stove and put a dish over here. The small size dish is enough. And first I'm gonna add some ghee into it. I have only some ghee. I'm just adding entirely. Okay, so after that I'm gonna add the dry fruits, because we have to first fry these dry fruits first. Fry it until you get some nice color, roasted color. So I'm done. I'm just taking it out. I have taken dry fruits over here. I've kept it aside. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just so we have leftover with some ghee. So what we're going to do is we just roast the khaddu in it. Okay. So until the raw smell goes off, we have just to just roast it, because while eating we should not get the raw smell or the raw taste of khaddu. So that's the reason what I'm doing is I'm just frying it. So fry it until you know now the lauki got roasted up after 5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is, like, we have some milk over here. I'm just adding some milk into it. Okay, so we'll mix it very well. Leave it for 5 minutes. See guys, now milk started boiling. So this is the time to add what we have, sagubiyam, we call it sabudana. So this is the time to add now. I'm just adding entirely. So this gives nice flavor and texture actually. So we're adding just nicely mix it. Leave it for another 5 to 7 minutes. It's time to add milk powder and sugar into it. First let's add milk powder. 2 spoons of milk powder I have. I'm just adding it. This will give nice flavor actually. The kova type of flavor it will give. Just put it in low flame and just stir it well. There should not be no lump should be there, because after that what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add sugar as much as we require. So for me, I think this sugar is enough. Leave it for other 5 to 7 minutes or 10 minutes. So we'll be doing it. It is the time for adding some dry fruits, already cutted dry fruits. What I'm going to do is I'm just add some of the dry fruits, and I'm just keeping some dry fruits for garnishing purpose. And mix. Guys, look at this. Look at this. The texture. You know, we have sabudana in between, and we have khaddu as well. I think this is yummy. This will be yummy. Now we have dry fruits coming in between. Yeah, I think we are almost done. See, the bubbles are coming up now. Started converting that small bubbles into big bubbles. How awesome is this? I'm eagerly waiting, ready to eat. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. Hi guys, I'm done with khaddu kheer now. I'm gonna taste it. I'll just share my feedback on it. Let me taste. So here it is, khaddu kheer, what I have. That's so yummy. I think you can try it at home. It is very, the texture, the dry fruits, the khaddu, sabudana, everything, you know, even the ghee, the small amount of ghee what we have added, that is coming into my mouth for taste. It's really yummy. Please try it at home. Do subscribe, share, and like my channel, Abhi Crazy Productions. And once again, Eid Mubarak to all of you. Thank you so much.